Alright guys, we're back with the Manidiums, and I think it's against Purrly, but I'm not 100% sure. I don't quite remember. Alright, someone moving my camera again, although I think that might have been because of the table, to be fair. Alright, Vista Starfrost gets the Meek. Yeah, that's right, it destroys and summons itself. That's how he's getting the Meek out. Alright. It's gonna add the primitive planets. Alright, primitive planet. Alright. Link into the Scareclaw card, the search. It's the card that searches the field spell, everybody. We all love those. Alright, the other primitive planet, the one for the Scareclaws. It's got a special, the Scareclaw. Gets some Scareclaw Arrival, which is like basically their version of Monster Reborn, but better. Because it can protect them from destruction. Alright. Looks like he's going to destroy to special. I think it's destroy. Alright, Scareclaw Arrival gets the Vistas. Got a Synchro into Baron de Fleur. All the Fleur. Getting cast here a Scareclaw by banishing the Arrival. I mean, then again, the Arrival won't protect the Baron, so I guess it's an okay thing to do. Matter of fact, it probably doesn't even, like, protect the... Probably only protects Vistas and Scareclaws. It doesn't protect Manidium. Alright, we're gonna go for the Cross-Sheet combo again. Special from Grave. I guess you can target that with Baron? That's interesting. Alright, Crimson Dragon. Interesting. Targets Baron to get... Bestial Dispater. Synchro Rumble. That's what it's called, by the way. It's Synchro Rumble. Alright. Pretty good. Synchro Rumble again. I think it targets a tuner too. Alright, summons Fenrir. Alright. So I was correct. Melfi. Interesting. This card's a very nice looking Nibiru. It's Purrly Happy Memory, by the way. I think he's using the Purrly effect and enchaining with Fenrir to banish. I think that was too... Okay. Looks like he's negating the effect of the purrly card. Shuffles a card, banish card back to his deck. Alright. Yeah, my friend Purrly. Alright, Sleepy Memory. So special Purrly card. And it looks like he's gonna chain the Manidium trap. Blow it up. Or probably just sends to grave. Alright, it looks like the Purrly player couldn't get around that. So he's probably gonna take first next round. So let's get down to it. Alright, Purrly. Like I said, Purrly player is going to go first. Fenrir. Alright, he's going to activate the field spell. And then one of the memories that that instantly gets ashed. Alright, evenly matched. Interesting. I wonder if he bricked again. That was a delicious memory, by the way, guys. That he negated. It's like it's at 1. All right, so it looks like he kaiju'd. Oh wow. Usually Purrly is pretty good too. In that last game, he really tried, but it's looking a little rough right now. Alright, he's popping off. Alright, gonna fusion. Gotta love a contact that you can literally use the materials to fuse from grave. Okay, interesting. Nibiru. Well, that certainly helped. He was in a bad spot, actually, prior to that. Alright, that's interesting. Alright. I can't tell if it's an attack or defense. Alright. Alright, interesting. Alright. Looks like he saved himself relatively, although, you know. My friend Purrly. It's a real good thing he cleared that board because he really needs that My Friend Purrly right now. He's gonna link. Yep. Interesting. Some of the Sky Striker monster just to send it to grave. That's interesting. Alright, summons the Vistas. Now that's definitely the card from the set. This guy was able to get a good amount of cards from the set. It's interesting. Probably traded it. Okay. Alright, happy memory. Alright, he's gonna start stacking them equip spells. I mean, them speed spells. Purrly effects. Alright, gonna use Happy Memory Engrave to be able to exceed that. Yeah, once Purrly gets going, it's actually hard to counter them, actually. Alright, AAA Zeus. That's not looking good. We might be going to round 3, guys. Yeah, especially with that trap card. Yep. It started off pretty good, too. Yep. Alright, who will take it? Manidium or Purrly, guys? Let's find out. Alright, guys, round 3. Who will take it? Purrly or Manidium Scareclaw? Alright, gonna start off with the summon to add. Permanent planet. Add the OG Vista Starfrost. Summon the Meek. Destroy the special. We're gonna get another Meek from deck. Alright, getting baroned. Alright, terraforming. Add the other primitive planet. That one will add another copy of that card. Alright, fusion from grave, gotta love it. Alright, Chain Link 1 and 2. I think 1 is gonna pop, or I'm sorry, target and then special summon another Meek. And the other one, alright. And he's gonna go right into a Synchro. Then Crimson Dragon, immediately go into that. Alright, Synchro Rumble. I think that's what that is. This thing. Alright, he's now digging into the Scareclaw engine. Alright. He's popping off. You gotta love the insane amount of good synchro support there is now. I know I'm loving it. Just gotta find a way to utilize it. Alright, he's gonna search for the trap with the other vistas. The guy's got like 5 alternative forms now. Talk about the odd eyes of this little generation we got going. Alright, cross sheep. He's gonna fusion again and then get both. Looks like he's gonna get the effects of cross sheep, gain their attack, and then he'll be able to special. It's pretty good. Alright. I'm sure he's gonna go for the alright. I'm sure, by the way, he's gonna go for the Appaloosa. Yep, there's the Appaloosa. Synchro Rumble. Alright, let's see if he can counter this. I do love that evenly matched map, by the way. Alright, he's going to activate the purrly's field spell. Alright. He's going to do the purrly effect to add, and then it negates. Alright, now we have Sleepy Memory. Discard the other purrly card. I think he's gonna best summon the same monster. Oh. Alright. Gonna use the purrly effect. Probably be negated. Yep. Alright, he's gonna attempt to XYZ summon one of the effects. We'll use the effect of Disparted and Negate. And then, okay. And it looks like he activated the effect of the other Ice Jade Geimer Agerine and banished it. Because anything you chain in response to ends up being banished. So I think that ended... So that's how you beat Purrly, by the way, guys. Just go first.